Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about curating a closet. Now anybody can shop, but curating a closet, it actually takes intention behind it. So we're gonna talk about that. Let's jump right into the video. So basically curating a closet means that less is more, and it does not mean that you shop mindlessly or have more clothes, but it's about less noise, making it very intentional. And what consumption means is you buying endlessly whatever you like without having any intention behind it. I used to do that a lot as well. You know that thing that we as girls do, that whenever we are going out, we open our closet and it's filled with clothes, but yet we like to go like we don't have any more clothes. Which basically translates into you have clothes but you don't have outfits. That is where consumption comes in my last two videos. I've been telling you guys how I'm trying to change my habits and my life around my new goals and what I want to do as an entrepreneur and startup founder. So one of the high performing habits that I'm trying to master is to not make more decisions about the things that are not that important, like what should I wear or what should I eat today, or just like mindless decisions that I need to make. I'm trying to reduce the amount of decisions in that sense. Mindless consumption just makes it difficult to achieve that. So there's a scientific theory behind it, like don't come for me, I don't know the proper word, but I'm just gonna explain it to you. So basically it means the part of the brain that handles our decision making, it also fatigues like a body after a long hard day of work. Our brain does that as well, and when your brain fatigues, you default to habit or emotion or comfort while making decisions, and I don't want to do that anymore. Which means if you waste your decision making capacity on things that don't matter, you won't have capacity for high stake choices. That is exactly what I've been trying to curate in my life. So like a curated closet helps me with that. Anyone can shop, but curating a closet means that you have a deeper understanding about yourself. It's not just about personal style, but it's also about the woman you are becoming, and not just for the woman you are today. Wardrobe reflects who you are as a person. So my aim with a curated closet is to reduce the amount of decisions I need to make while picking an outfit, but also invest in craftsmanship and something that can be passed down through generations. Obviously this is going to cost me some time and money, so I know I have to be patient with the whole process, but it doesn't always have to be expensive. It also means that you can find some indie brands or like small brands where they have very unique pieces and not so well known, but oftentimes these small brands, they always almost invest in unique designs and craftsmanship and like proper finishing that the fast fashion companies simply cannot afford due to time and money. One thing I'm learning is elegance is not consumption, it's alignment between your values, who you are, your taste, and how you choose to move through the world. That's it for today guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.